Sri P. Bhattacharya, 5 minutes, sir.
Sir, you have practically my allotment of time is 10 minutes, but you have told
I
me.
have not curtailed, sir. This is the constitution of
Anyway,
the House.
that is different thing.
Please.
मेरा देश में तो लेबर लोग सबसे नेग्लेक्टेड है, तो मेरा देश में तो लेबर लोग नेग्लेक्टेड है, तो सदन में भी डिस्कशन नेग्लेक्टेड होगा, इसमें क्या तज्जब बनेगा? इसको तो होगा ही। मेरा लेबर मिनिस्टर बहुत अच्छा आदमी है, चुपचाप रहता है, शांत आदमी है, अपोज करने के लिए उनका दम है नहीं। He won 8 times, but he did not oppose this thing. No, I like to continue the discussion. Anyway, within the 5 minutes, I do not know how I can articulate all these things. It is an ocean. My labor minister will agree with me. It is an ocean. 40 crores, only 40 crore unorganized sector. And 61, you take it from me, the provision relating to wages shall be applicable to all employments, covering both the organized as well as unorganized sector. Unorganized sector में 61 different types are there. 61. इसमें एग्रीकल्चर लेबर भी है, बीड़ी मजदूर भी है, कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्कर्स भी है, सब कुछ है. I do not know how labor minister will be able to fix up their minimum wages for these 61 types of people. I do not know. He has said that he will form the committee, advisory committee. It is all right. I would not be surprised if the labor minister, honorable labor minister, may kindly feel one thing. Who has advised you to amalgamate 31 labor laws to 4 codes? I heard from the finance minister's address that we are going to form the 4 codes. Honorable Labour Minister, you will be knowing the facts that International Labour Organization, ILO, Geneva, they had a meeting, and at that meeting, ILO meeting, they composed a small committee to see the 4 codes, how much it will be applicable and workable for the working class population of the world. So far as I know, they are not satisfied with these 4 codes. Why? Sir, there is a Provident Fund Act. Sir, there is a ESI Act. There are so many acts are there. How can you amalgamate all these things? You are saying only the payment of wages, only the minimum wages is not the problem of the labor. But we are confined ourselves to only the minimum wages of the labor. It is not the minimum wages, but at the same time, social security of the workers. That is the most important thing nowadays. Here we are saying minimum wages, payment of wages act, minimum wages act, payment of bonus act, and equal remuneration act. All right. But when you are saying this thing, sir, you will be surprised to know what they are saying. They are saying the minimum that what is the wages? What is the definition of the wages? What is the definition of the wages? The bonus includes bonus is a deferred wages, that is the court order. Bonus is a deferred wages. But what you have mentioned here, the wages means all remuneration, whether by way of salaries, allowances or otherwise, expressed in terms of money or capable of being expressed, which would, if the terms of employment expressed or implied were fulfilled the payable to the person employed in respect of his employment or the work done in such employment, and includes basic pay, dearness allowance, relating allowance, etc. Only the bonus. This is not the bonus, sir. Bonus includes so many other things. But here you have said it. Any bonus payable under any law for the time being in force, which does not form the part of the remuneration payable under the terms of employment. Sir,
Please conclude. Time.
how it can be possible to do bonus? Next question, the punishment, those who will not pay the proper wages to the working class people, how would you like to punish them? Now we have the so many arrangements. I would like to know from the Honorable Minister, all the existing laws to go to the court, to FIR, to go to High Court, and all these things will exist or will be abolished. That should be clear. That is not mentioned in this code. So I would request to you kindly to look into this matter. Lastly, I say very much, दुनिया का मजदूर एक हो जाए, दुनिया का मजदूर एक हो जाए, तो हम लोग जैसा तरीका से चाहे उसको दमन करने के लिए वो होगा नहीं. जो मजदूर लोग को टुकराएगा वो चूर चूर हो जाएगा. ये बात बोल के मेरा बात खत्म करना है. जय हिंद.
धन्यवाद दिलीप जी.